Hello, welcome to my fashion illustration mini course. In this course we will learn about the areas of application of fashion illustration, make a figure, draw sketches from fashion shows, talk about references, figure out whether to choose the eye part or traditional techniques, and learn more about my fashion illustration school. Before proceeding to the lesson materials, let me introduce myself. My name is Katerina Pashigor. I'm a fashion illustrator and professional teacher at Fantasy Room Art School. I have been working as an illustrator for more than 10 years. My illustrations are published in Vogue, Le Ficelle, Edge and others. My education, I study all the time, but my last official studies were at UAL, one of the world's leading fashion institutes. I completed fashion designer bachelor's degree. I have fulfilled more than 100 commercial orders. My customers include brands from different countries such as Ukraine, Israel, USA and Singapore. Since 2015, I have taught more than 1,000 students on and offline. I use different techniques, namely watercolor, markers and digital. I write books and other education materials on fashion illustration. Fashion illustration is not only my job, it is my passion and my life. I love what I do, it fills me up a lot and gives me strength. I'm inspired by my students and I love seeing how they progress from beginners to experts. It's lovely to see my students participating in international art competitions. The scope of illustration is quite broad. It includes work for print or online publications, creating postcards, prints, stickers, posters and covers for music albums, fulfilling individual orders, working with clothing and shoe designers, manufacturers of cosmetics and perfumes, and much more. Fashion illustration can be both a hobby for you and source of considerable income. There is in fact a hobby that often develops into an occupation. My students often get their first orders from their own friends and acquaintances and benefit from word-of-mouth marketing. Do not hesitate to post images of your work in social media, as this is a great resource for receiving orders. It is also important to have a portfolio on Behance. The main thing is not to compare yourself with others and to remember that there is always a customer out there who is looking for someone with exactly your style. You just need to constantly work on yourself and improve your skills.